Hello children, it's me again, your phonic teacher. Today's topic is 3-letter CVC words of AB family. Please check on my previous videos for good reading. Let's get started. A-B, ab. K-ab, cab. L-ab, lab. Let's try reading some more words of AB family. K-ab, cab. D-ab, dab. G-ab, gab. L-ab, lab. T-ab, tab. Let's repeat. Cab, dab, gab, lab, tab. Your turn to read now. Fantastic job, kids. Good reading. Bye-bye, kids. See you later. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video alerts. My next video is about 3-letter CVC words of short E sound. Link to all my phonics video is given below in the description box. Keep watching.